ॐ शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யகம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. வாகர்த்தாபிவ சம்பிரக்தௌ வாகர்த்த பிரதிபத்தயே जगदः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्री पार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोहलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाबात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने. കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മഞ്ഞനെ കുമ്പിടേണ്ടാത്തോരു പ്രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Good evening, everyone. I don't know who's showing up as iPhone and iPad. I can't tell.
iPad should be me, Rajesh. I switched from my phone to the iPad.
Okay. Deepa then. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. The iPhone disappeared. Okay. All right, Tulsi's iPhone. All right. So I think let's do quick 31 and 32, right? We have to review. So Soumya, can you do 32? Okay. Then
Yep, I can do 32.
Yeah, Meera is not on. Vijay, can you do 31?
Yeah.
Okay, why don't you go ahead, Vijay?
Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Balitattva Uchetaha. நான் வந்து டியூன் ஆஃப் பண்ணா கரெக்ட் பண்ணுங்க ராஜேஷ். प्रीत्या दैत्यः तव तनुमः प्रेक्षणात् सर्वतापि त्वामारत्यन्न अजितरचयन् अञ्जलिं सञ्जगात मत्तः किं ते समपि लक्षितं विप्रशूनो वदत्वं व्यक्तं भक्तं भवनमवनी वापि सर्वं प्रदास्ये.
Fourth line is vittam, not vyaktam. Fourth line first. Yeah.
वित्तं भक्तं भवनमवनीं वापि सर्वं प्रदास्ये. कामक्षीणां बलिगिरम् उपाकर्ण्यः कारुण्यपूर्णोऽपि अस्योत्सेकं समयितुमना दैत्यवंशं प्रशंसन् भूमिं पादत्रय परिमितां प्रार्थयामासि तत्त्वं सर्वं देहिति देहितु निकतिते कस्य हास्यं न वा स्यात्.
First line upakarnya. I think you said upakarnyaha. There is no visarga there. Okay. So just check that one. And the last line, sarvam dehiti tu nigatite.
सर्वं देहिति तु निकतिते कस्य हास्यं विश्वेशं मां नृपतमिह किं याससे पालिशस्त्वं सर्वां भूमिं वृणु किममुनेत्यालपत्वां शत्रुप्यन् यस्मात् तर्पात् त्रिपत परिपूर्त्यक्षमः शेपवातान् முதலில் தர்ப்பத परिपूर्त्यक्षमः शेपवातान् बन्धं चासा वहमत् अदतर्पोऽपि कातोपशान्त्यै पादत्रया यदि न मुदितो विष्टपैर्नापि तुष्येत् इत्युक्तेऽस्मिन् वरद भवते तातु कामेततोऽयम् दैत्याचार्यः तव खलु परीक्षार्थिनः प्रणोतं मामातेयं हरिरयमिति व्यक्तमेवा भवाशे.
The third line and the parikshartinaha, right? You put a if to join. Parikshartinah preranatam.
Okay. Parikshartinah preranatam. Okay. याचत्येवं यदिश भगवान् पूर्णकामोऽस्मि सोऽहं तास्यां एव स्थिरमिति वदन् काव्यशक्तोऽपि दैत्यः विन्ध्यावल्या निजतहितया तत्तपाध्याय तुभ्यं चित्रं सकलमपि स प्रापयत् तोयपूर्वं निश्शन्तेऽहं इति कुलपतौ
दिव्यशेषार्पणं तत् व्यादन्वाणे मुमुषुर्ऋष्यः सामरः पुष्पवर्षं दिव्यं रूपं तव दिव्यं रूपं तव च तदीदं पश्यतां विश्वभाजाम् अवधीकृत्य विश्वाण्डपाण्डम्.
First line, Vijaya. Tvaya Shesharpanam. Tvaya, double ya.
Okay, Tvaya Shesharpanam.
And then last line, Uchchaihi. We put a visarga and a comma there. Last line, first one.
Yeah, Uchchaihi.
Okay.
त्वत्पादाक्रं निजपदकदं पुण्डरीकात्पवोऽसौ कोऽसौ त्वत्पादाक्रं निजपदकदं पुण्डरीकोत्पवोऽसौ कुण्डितोयैरसिसद पुनात् यच्चलं विश्वलोकान् हर्षोत्कर्षात् सुबहुनन्द्रुते केशैर् उत्सवेऽस्मिन् देवीं निक्नन् भुवनमच्चरज्जाम्बवान् भक्तिशाली.
And the second line, Kunditoyaihi, visarga and a comma, and then asich.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Kunditohaihi
asich. Yaihi.
Toyaihi. Tavat taityas tavat taisya tovanumatimrute parturaptayattaha devopedhair bhavadhanuchairaihi sankata bangamapan कालात्मायं वसति पुरतो यद्वशात् प्राक्चितास्मः किं वो युक्तैरिति पलिकिरा तेधे पाधालमापुः.
The first line, last word, Bhartur Arabdha Yuddhaha.
भर्तुरारप्तयुक्ताः. Correct. Okay. भाषैर्पत्तं पदकपतिना दैत्यमुच्चैरवातीः दार्तीकं दिशममपदं किं न विश्वेश्वरोषि पादं मूर्ध्नि प्रणय भगवन्नित्यकम्पं वदन्तं प्रह्लादस्तं स्वयमुपकतो मानयन्नस्तवीत्वाम्.
Third line, and you don't have to just repeat, but just note Bhagavan kapram comma, okay? Pranaya Bhagavan, and then there's a comma there. Okay.
Okay, Bhagavan. Okay. Darpochityai vihitamakilam daityasuttosi punyaihi lokastestu diridiva vijayi vasavatvam cha paschat matsyayujyam bhajasa punarit yanvakritna balitam vipraisantanita magavaraha pahi vadhalayosha.
Vatala Esha.
Vatala Esha.
So just a small correction. So first line, after Vihita Makilam, there is a pause. Second line, after Tridiva Vijayi, there is a pause. Okay. And then the third line, first word is Matsayujyam. There is no ya there. It's not Matsya, it's Matsayujyam.
ஓகே மத்சாயுஜ்யம். அப்புறம் அந்த பாஸ் எங்க சொன்னால் விஜயிக்கு அப்புறம் ஒரு பாஸ்.
ஆமா, first line after Vihitam Akilam, second line after Tridiva Vijayi.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, very good.
Dashakam 32 Matsyavatara Varnanam. Pura Hayagriva Mahasurena Shashtantaranto Dyadakanda Kalpe Nidron Mukha Brahma Mukhadriteshu Vedeshvadhit Sakila Matsya Rupam Satyavratasya Dramiladi Bartuhu Nadi Jale Tarpayatastadanim Karanjalau Sanjvalita Kritistvam Adrishyatah Kaschana Balaminah Kshiptam Jale Tvam Chakitam Vilokya Ninyembupatre Munisvageham Svalpairaho Bikalashim Chakupam Vapim Saraschana Shishe Vibhotvam Yoga Prabhavad Bhavadajnayaiva Nitastatastvam Munina Payodhim Prushto Muna Kalpa Didrukshume.
Soumya, we lost you. Soumya? She froze. Okay. Sandeep, you want to continue from there?
Okay. Prishto Muna Kalpa Didrukshumenam Saptahamasveti Vadannayasihi Prapte Twadukte Hani Varidhara Pariplute Bhumitale Munindraha Saptarshibis Sardam Aparavarini Udghurnamas Sharanam Yayotwam Dharam Twadadesha Karima Baptam Naurupini Maruruhustadate Tatkampakam Preshu Chapteshu Bhuyaha Twamambudhera Dera Virabhur Mahiyan.
Sandeep, sorry, Soumya is back. So, Soumya, go ahead. Yeah. So we lost you completely. Thanks, Sandeep.
Sorry.
No, that's okay. You can continue from 7.
Okay. Chashakritim Yojana Laksha Dirgham Dadan Muche Starate Jasam Tvam Niriksha Munayastvadukya Tvattunga Shringe Taranim Babandhuhu.
The first line or the second line, however you have it, once more. Dadhanam. You said dadan. You said in. It's a na there. So dadhanam uchchais. Okay.
Okay.
Keep going. Yeah.
Okay. Akrishta Nauko Munimandalaya Pradarshayan Vishwajagad Vibhagan Samstuyamano Nrivarena Tena Jnanam Param Chopadishanna Charihi Kalpavadau Saptamunin Purovate Prasthapya Satyavrata Bhumi Pantam Vaivasvatakyam Manumadadanaha Krodadayagrivam Abhidruto Bhuhu Svatunga Shringa Shatavamsha Samtam Nipatya Daityam Nigaman Grihitva Virinchaye Prita Hrite Dadanaha Prabhanjanagara Pate Prapayaha.
So the first word, Swatunga. You said Swatunga. You put an extra it there. Just Swatunga. Okay. Very good. All right. So we'll get started with 34. So we can be a student. Prabha, you can be a student for the first half. Okay. And second, Anu and Tulsi, you can be student. Okay. Second half. Okay, so I already sent the meaning for this ahead of time, right? So that way we don't have to spend time in the class. So we'll get going with the chapter itself. So this is again 34 and 35 Ramavataram, and like I said, this is slightly tougher, but once you get it going, I think this will become one of your favorite chapters, right? It's a very nice chapter. Once you finish both of them. So stanza 1. गीर्वाणैरर्त्यमानो दशमुख निधनं कोसले स्पृश्य शृंगे पुत्रीयामिष्टिमिष्ट्वा ददुषि दशरथक्ष्माभृते पायसाग्र्यं तद्भुक्त्या तत्पुरन्ध्रीष्वपि तिसृषु समं जातगर्भासु जातो रामस्त्वं लक्ष्मणेन स्वयमत भरतेनापि शत्रुघ्ननाम्ना. So Girvanair Artyamano Dasha Mukha Nidhanam, comma Kosalesh Vrishya Shringe. So that word comes together, you can't break it. So Kosalesh Vrishya Shringe, comma Putriyam Ishtim Ishtva. 3 words if you want to break it. Putriyam Ishtim Ishtva, comma Dadushi Dasharatha Kshmabhrite, so half ksha, Kshmabhrite Payasagryam. Girvanhairartyamano Dashamukha Nidhanam Kosalesh Vrishya Shringe Putriyamishtimishtva Dadushi Dasharatha Kshmabhrite Payasagryam.
गीर्वाणैरर्तमानो दशमुख निधनं कोसले वृष्यशृङ्गे पुत्रीयामिष्टिमिष्ट्वा ददुषि दशरथक्ष्माभृते पायसाग्रम्. गीर्वाणैरर्थं
The rel you can break it. Girvanair Artyamano.
गीर्वाणैरर्त्यमानो दशमुख निधनं कोसले वृष्यशृङ्गे पुत्रीयामिष्टिमिष्ट्वा ददुषि दशरथक्ष्माभृते पायसाग्र्यम्.
And this first line like Kosalesh ish is there after that. I couldn't hear that. Okay, so Kosalesh. Okay, anyway. All right,
गीर्वाणैरर्त्यमानो दशमुखनिधनं कोसलेष्वृष्य शृङ्गे पुत्रीयामिष्टिमिष्ट्वा ददुषि दशरथ क्ष्माभृते पायसाघ्यम्.
And the comma mattum paathungo. One is after Dashamukha Nidanam, other is after Putriyam Ishtimishtva. Okay, yeah, keep going.
गीर्वाणैरर्त्यमानो दशमुखनिधनं कोसलेष्वृष्य शृङ्गे पुत्रीयामिष्टिमिष्ट्वा ददुषि दशरथ क्ष्माभृते पायसार्घ्यम्.
Sorry, ஒரே ஒரு doubt. Last word வந்து பாயசாக்ரயம் இல்லையா?
Gryam.
பாயசாக்ரயம்.
Agryam, right? Gra.
Okay.
Because on the ya cannot have that. The gra mari you can't have it on ya, right? So the payasagriyam.
பாயசாக்ரயம் இல்ல, பாயசாக்ரயம்.
Yeah, the griyam. Tad bhuktya tat purandhrishwapi, comma tisrushu samam jata garbhasu jato, comma ramastvam lakshmanena, comma swayamata bharatenapi shatrughna namna. Tadbhuktya tatpurandhrishwapi tisrushu samam jata garbhasu jato ramastvam lakshmanena swayamata bharatenapi shatrughna namna.
तद्भुक्त्या पुरन्द्रीष्वपि तिसृषु समं जात गर्भासु जातो रामस्त्वं लक्ष्मणेन स्वयमथ भरतेनापि शत्रुघ्ननाम्ना तद्भुक्त्या तत्पुरन्द्रीष्वपि तिसृषु समं जात गर्भासु जातो रामस्त्वं लक्ष्मणेन स्वयमथ भरतेनापि शत्रुघ्ननाम्ना
तद्भुक्त्या तत्पुरन्ध्रेष्वपि तिसृ समं जात गर्भसु जातौ रामस्त्वं लक्ष्मणेन स्वयमथ भरतेनापि शत्रुघ्ननाम्ना.
On the first third line, tisrushu.
Tisrushu.
Yeah.
Tadbhuktya tatpurandrishvapi tisru.
No, say it individually only. Tisrushu. Say it individually. Yeah.
Tisrushu samam jata garbhasu jato Ramastvam Lakshmanena Swayamata Bharatenapi Shatrughna.
Stanza 2. Kodandhi Kaushikasya Kratuvaramavitum Lakshmanenanuyato Yato Bhustata Munikatita Manudvandva Shantadvakhedah Nृणां त्राणाय बाणैः मुनिवचन बला ताटकां पाटयित्वा लब्ध्वा स्मादस्त्रजालं मुनिवनमगमो देवसिद्धाश्रमाख्यम्. So, कोदंडी कौशिकस्य क्रतुवरम अवितुम कॉमा लक्ष्मणे नानु यातो कॉमा यातो भूस तात वाचा कॉमा मुनि कथित मनु द्वंद्व शांताद्व खेदः. कोदंडी कौशिकस्य क्रतुवरमवितुं लक्ष्मणेनानुयातो यातो भूस्तातवाचा मुनिकथितमनुद्वन्द्वशान्ताद्भखेदः.
कोदंडी कौशिकस्य क्रतुवरमवितुं लक्ष्मणेनानुयातो यातो भूस्तातवाचा मुनिकथितमनुद्वन्द्वशान्ताद्वखेदः. कोदंडी कौशिकस्य कोदंडी कौशिकस्य क्रतुवरमवितुं लक्ष्मणेनानुयातो यातो भूस्तातवाचा मुनिकथितमनुद्वन्द्वशान्ताद्वखेदः.
कोदंडी कौशिकस्य क्रतुवरमवितुं लक्ष्मणेनानुयातो यातो भूस्तातवाचा मुनिकथित manudvandasantadvakedah.
The last word dvandva, so it's like dva is coming at both ends, right? So dvandva shantadva kedah.
Kodandi kaushikasya kratuvaramavitum lakshmanenanuyato yato bhustatavacha munikatita manudvanda shantadvakedah.
Shantadva.
Shantadvakedah.
Next, third line, first word. Nrnam. See, some books had just nr, one r is there in some books, but some books had double r. So we changed it to the double r. Okay. So if you have just one r, make it double r. So nrnam. So it's a you have to stretch it one more. Okay. Nrunam Tranaya Banaihi. Put a visarga and a comma after Banai. Banaihi, visarga and comma. Now on top of that mu, if you have a ir, you can remove that off. Muni Vachana Balat Tatakam Patayitva, comma. Labdvasmad Astrajalam. If you want to break it, you break it at the da. Okay. So Labdvasmad Astrajalam, comma. Muni Vanam Agamo Deva Siddhashram Akyam. Siddhashram Akyam. So one comma after Banaihi, one comma after Astrajalam. Nrnham Tranaya Banaihi Munivachana Bala Tatakam Patayetva Labdvasmadastrajalam Munivanamagamo Deva Siddhashramakyam.
Nrnam Tranaya Banaihi Munivachana Bala Tatakam Patayitva Labdvasmadastrajalam Munivanamagamo Deva Siddhashramakhyam.
And the last line, Labdvasmad Astrajalam. Astram. So that's all. Yeah.
Astrajalam. Okay. Nrnam Tranaya Banaihi Munivachana Bala Tatakam Patayitva Labdvasmadastrajalam Munivanamagamo Deva Siddhashramakhyam.
Runam Tranaya Banaihi Munivachana Balat Tatakam Patayitva Labdvasmad Astrajalam Munivanamagamo Deva Siddhashram Akyam.
Prabha, the last line, the comma is after Astrajalam. Okay. After that is the pause.
Runam Tranaya Banaihi Munivachana Balat Tatakam Patayitva Labdvasmad Astrajalam Munivanamagamo Deva Siddhashramakhyam.
Stanza 3. Maricham dravayitva makashirasi sharaihi anyaraksham sinignan kalyam kurvanna halyam patipadarajasa prapya vaideha geham bhindanas chandrachudam dhanuhu avanisutam indirameva labdva rajyam pratishthatastvam Tribirapicha samam bhatruvirai sadharaihi. So this is where the marriage to Sita happens. So there's a bow and going to Janaka's house and Vaidehi's house, right? Or Sita's house. So this is the marriage stanza. So Maricham Dravayitva Makha Shirasi Sharaihi. So the ra that is there after Sharai, remove that, put a visarga and a comma. Sharaihi, comma. Next word starts with a a. Anya rakshamsi nignan ig. So half gha is coming. Nignan, comma. Kalyam kurvanna halyam. So double na. It's kurvan ahalyam. But because in and a comes, it becomes a double na. So kurvanna halyam, comma. Phati padarajasa, comma again. Prapya vaideha geham. So Vaideha is up in the land of Videha. So that's why she's called Vaidehi, because she's the princess of Videha. Maricham dravayitva makashirasi sharaihi anyaraksham sinignan kalyam kurvanna halyam patipadarajasa prapya vaideha geham.
Maricham dravayitva makashirasi shairihi anyaraksham sinignan kalyam kurvanna halyam patipadarajasa प्राप्य वैदेहगेहम्.
Vikram, on the first line, sharaihi. I think you said something else for that word, but sharai.
मारीचं द्रापयित्वा मखशिरसि शरैः अन्यरक्षांसि निघ्नन् कल्यां कुर्वन्नहल्यां पतिपदरजसा प्राप्य वैदेहगेहम्.
मारीचां द्रावयित्वा मखशिरसि शरैः अन्यरक्षांसि निघ्नन् कल्यां कुर्वन्नहल्यां पतिपदरजसा प्राप्य वैदेहगेहम्. मारीचां द्रावयित्वा मखशिरसि शरैः अन्यरक्षास्मि निघ्नन् कल्यां कुर्वन्नहल्यां पतिपदरजसा प्राप्य वैदेहगेहम्.
Bhindanash Chandra Chudam Dhanuhu. So that the ra that is there, remove that, put a visarga and a comma. Dhanuhu, comma. Next line, next word starts with a A. Avani Sutam Indiram, if you want to break it. So Avani Sutam Indiram eva labdva, comma. Rajyam Pratishta Tastvam, comma. Tribhirapi cha samam bhratruvirais, bhratru brothers, bhratruvirais sadaraihi. So one comma after dhanuhu, then one after thastvam. Bhindanas chandra chudam dhanuhu avani sutam indirameva labdva rajyam pratishtatastvam tribhirapi cha samam bhratruvirais sadaraihi.
बिन्दानश्चान्द्रचूडं धनुः अवनीसुतामिन्दिरामेव लब्ध्वा राज्यं प्रातिष्ठतास्त्वं त्रिभिरपि च समं भ्रातृवीरैः सदारैः.
I mean the last bhratru.
भ्रातृवीरैः सदारैः. बिन्दानश्चान्द्रचूडं धनुः अवनीसुतामिन्दिरामेव लब्ध्वा राज्यं प्रातिष्ठतास्त्वं त्रिभिरपि च समं भ्रातृवीरैः सदारैः.
बिन्दानश्चान्द्रचूडां धनुः अवनीसुताम् इन्दिरामेव लब्ध्वा राज्यं प्रातिष्ठतास्त्वं त्रिभिरपि च समं भ्रातृवीरैः सदारैः.
And the third line, chudam, chandra chudam. I think you're saying chudam, you said. Chandra chudam.
बृन्दाश्चान्द्रचूडं धनुः अवनिसुतामिन्दिरामेव लब्ध्वा राज्यं प्रातिष्ठतास्त्वं त्रिभिरपि च समं भ्रातृवीरैः सदारैः.
Stanza 4. Arundhane rushandhe bhrigukulalake Sankramaya swatejo yate yatosya yodhyam sukhamiha nivasan kantaya kantamurte shatrugne naikadhato gatavati bharate matulasya dhivasam tata rabdo bhishekah tavakila vihatah kekaya dhisha putrya. So this is where, and you can listen to it more in the story, but this is where Rama and Parashurama meet, right? So like we said, right? So each of the gods are like a part incarnation, right? So you can think of like a part energy, right? So in the Parashurama Avataram, right, which actually comes in 36. So there is a person called Kartya Virya Arjuna, which will come later. So he is also a part incarnation. That Kartya Virya Arjuna defeated Ravana. Okay, defeated Ravana in the sense he was so powerful that he was able to let a flood of water go and Ravana got drowned in it. So he was stronger than Ravana. So that Kartya Virya Arjuna was defeated by Parashurama. Right, and then this Parashurama, then when it comes to Rama, and when he goes on this getting rid of all the Kshatriyas, he finally comes to Ayodhya. There he sees Rama and says, okay, that's where my role stops. From here you take on. So he surrenders to Rama, right? So the reason I'm saying that is kind of it's all incarnations of the Lord, but each one comes with different energy levels, right? So there is doesn't mean one is better than the other. I'm just saying it's more powerful, or however you want to think about it. So anyway, so Arundhane Rushandhe, comma, Bhrigukula Tilake, comma, Sankramaya Maya, double ya coming, Sankramaya Swatejo, comma, Yate Yatosya Yodhyam. So that word comes together. Yatosya Yodhyam, comma, Sukhamiha Nivasan, comma again, Kantaya Kanta Murte. So one after, so this, a couple of the stanzas have multiple commas only because one is easy to say. Second is when you listen to the meaning, each of it is like different things happening, right? So when you really understand the meaning, you know, it's like multiple things. Bhattacharya is saying multiple things in a single sentence. So by just breaking it, you will start appreciating when you listen to the meaning of what is happening there. That's also. Arundhane Rushandhe Bhrigukula Tilakhe Sankramaya Swatejo Yate Yatosya Yodhyam Sukhamiha Nivasan Kantaya Kantamurte.
Arundhane Rushandhe Bhrigukula Tilake Sankramaya Tejo Yate Yatosya Yodhyam Sukhamiha Nivasan Kantaya Kantamurte. Arundhane Rushandhe Bhrigukula Tilake Sankramaya Tejo Yate Yatosya Yodhyam Sukhamiha Nivasan Kantaya Kantamurte.
Arundhane Rushandhe Bhrigukula Tilake Sankramaya Swatejo Yate Yatosya Yodhyam Sukhamiha Nivasan Kantaya Kantamurte. Arundhane Rushandhe Bhrigukula Tilake Sankramaya Swatejo Yate Yatosya Yodhyam Sukhamiha Nivasan Kantaya Kantamurte.
Shatrughne Naika Dhato. So that word comes together. Shatrughne Naika Dhato, comma, Gatavati Bharate, comma, Matu Lasyadhi Vasam, comma again, end of that line. Tata Rabdobhishekaha. So that word comes together. So after ka, there is a is. So remove that, put a visarga and a comma. Tata Rabdobhishekaha, comma, Tava Kila Vihataha is there, put a ih sound. Vihatah Kekayadhisha Putriya. So Kekaya, land of Kekaya. Kekayadhisha Putriya means the daughter of the king of Kekaya, which is Kaikeyi. Right? So Kila Vihata Kekayadhisha Putriya. Shatrughne Naikadatho Gatavati Bharate Matulasya Adhivasam Tata Rabdhobhishekah Tava Kila Vihatah Kekayadhisha Putriya.
Shatrughne Naikadato Gatavati Bharate Matullasyadivasam Tata Rabdhe Bhishekah तव किल विहतः केकयाधीशपुत्र्या
Last fourth line, Tata Rabdhobhishekah. You said te, to, do. Yeah.
शत्रुघ्नेनैकदातो गतवति भरते मातुलस्यादिवासं तातारब्धोऽभिषेकः तव किल विहतः केकयाधीशपुत्र्या
शत्रुघ्नेनैकदातो गतवति भरते मातुलस्यादिवासं तातारब्धोऽभिषेखा तव किल विहतः केकयाधीशपुत्र्या.
Prabhan, the last line, Tata Rabdhobhishekah. Abhishekah. So Tata Rabdhobhishekah.
शत्रुघ्नेनैकदातो गतवति भरते मातुलस्याधिवासं तत्तरब्धोऽभिषेकः तव किल विहतः केकयाधीशपुत्र्या.
Stanza 5. Tatoktya yatu kamo vanam anujavadhu samyutaschapadharaha paura narudhya marge guhanilaya gataha tvam jata chiradhari nava santirya gangham adipada vipunastambharatvajamarate natva tadbhakya hetoh Atisukama-vasas-chitrakote girindre. Some of these things become self-explanatory, right? Guha nilaya gataha, you went to Guha's house, right? And then, you crossed Ganges, and then you went to Chitrakote girindre. Then you went to the forest of mountains of Chitrakuta, where you then stayed with Sita and Lakshmana. So, Tatoktya yatu kamo vanam. So, make it a im, that ma, we're going to break it, put a im and then comma. Vanam. Then the next word starts with a a. Anuja vadhu samyutash chapa dharaha, comma. Pauranarudhya. If you want to break it, you can break it at that na or say it together. Pauranarudhya marge, comma. Guha nilaya gataha. That is you remove, put a visarga and a comma, gataha. Tvam jatachira dhari. Tatoktya yatu kamo vanam anujavadhu samyutaschapadharaha pauranarudhya marge guhanilaya gataha tvam jatachiradhari.
तातोक्त्या यातु कामो वनम् अनुजवधू संयुतश्चापधारः पौरानारुध्य मार्गे गुहनिलय गतः त्वं जटाचीरधारी. तातोक्त्या यातु कामो वनम् अनुजवधू संयुतश्चापधारः पौरानारुध्य मार्गे गुहनिलय गतः त्वं जटाचीरधारी.
I have one doubt, Rajesh. So are we putting a comma after gataha?
Yeah.
Guhanilaya gataha?
Yeah. If you're saying the visarga, that means there's automatically a comma comes there because you're pausing there essentially.
Oh, okay.
Otherwise, we will say it as is and go on. Guhanilaya gatas tvam jatachiradhari.
ताटोक्या यातु कामो वनम् अनुजवधू संयुतश्चापधारः पौराणारुध्य मार्गे गुहनिलय गतः त्वं जटाचीरधारी. ताटोक्या यातु
Sorry,
कामो
Prabhan, it's a T, ta, right? Tatoktya.
Oh, tatotya. Sorry. Tatotya yatu kamo vanam anujavadu samyutaschapadharaha पौराणारुध्यमार्गे गुहनिलयगटः त्वं जटाचीरधारी.
Even the gataha, guhanile, gataha is a ta, not a ta. Ta. Okay. Nava santirya gangam. Again, that ma will break it, put a im and then a comma. Gangam, comma. Next word starts with a a. Adi padavi punas tam bharadwaja marat. Put a it at the end of that line. Bharadwaja marat. It first ta and then comma. Next line you will have two nas, so just make it one na, remove one of the nasa. So natva tadvakya hetoho. So visarga and a comma. So remove that ra off. Tadvakya hetoho, comma. Next word starts with a a. Ati sukhama vasash chitrakute girindre. Ati sukhama vasash Chitrakute Girindre. Nava Santirya Gangam Adhipadavi Punastambharadvaja Marate Natva Tadvakya Heto Atisukama Vasash Chitrakute Girindre.
Nava santirya gangam adipadavi punastam bharadvaja marat natva tadvakya hetoho atisukhamavas chitrakute girindre.
Atisukama Vasash.
Vasas. Okay. Atisukhama vasas chitrakute.
Yeah, the normally what happens is it's Ati Sukama Vasaha Chitrakute Girindre, but the cha is coming there, but if it's taking it together, it becomes a ish. Visarga becomes a ish, that's all.
Nava santirya gangam adipadavi punastam bharadvaja marat natva tadvakya hetoho atisukamavas chitrakute girindre.
And the name saying Ati Sukama Vasash.
Atisukamavasas chitrakute. Vasas chitrakute.
Nava santirya gangam adipadavi punastam bharadvaja marat natva tadvakya hetoho atisukam avasash chitrakute girindre.
The third line Punastam Bharata. You said tam, just tam.
Punastam.
Yeah.
Nava santirya gangam adipadavi punastam bharadvaja marat natva tadvakya hetoho atisukam avasash chitrakute girindre.
Okay, we'll switch. So Anu, you and Tulsi, you can be students, okay? Stanza 6. Shrutva putrarti khinnam khalu bharatamukat swargayatam swatatam tapto datvambutasmai nidadhita bharate padukam medihim cha atrim natva tagatva vanamati vipulam dandakam chandakahyam hatva daityam viradham sugati makalayas charu bhoshara bhangim. Shrutva putrarti khinnam khalu and then comma bharata mukat swarga yatam swatatam comma tapto datvambu tasmai comma nidadhita first dha and then second dha nidadhita bharate padukam medinim cha. Shrutva putrarti khinnam khalu bharatamukhat swargayatam swatatam tapto datvambutasmai nidadhita bharate padukam medihim cha.
Shrutva putrarthi khinnam khalu bharatamukat swargayatam swatatam तप्तो दत्त्वाम्बु तस्मै निदधित भरते पादुकां मेदिनीं च श्रुत्वा पुत्रार्थिखिन्नं खलु भरतमुखात् स्वर्गयातं स्वतातं तप्तो दत्त्वाम्बु तस्मै निदधित भरते पादुकां मेदिनीं च
श्रुत्वा पुत्रार्तिखिन्नं खलु भरतमुखात् स्वर्गयातं स्वतातं तप्तो दत्त्वाम्बु तस्मै निदधित भरते पादुकां मेदिनीं च श्रुत्वा पुत्रार्तिखिन्नं खलु भरतमुखात् स्वर्गयातं स्वतातं तप्तो दत्त्वाम्बु तस्मै निदधित भरते पादुकां मेदिनीं च.
So after Swargayatam, you have it still in the same line, right? First time you said it correct. Second time you paused after Swargayatam, so you kind of lost that tune there. That's coming continuously. Yeah, Swargayatam, Swatatam. Yeah. Atrim Natvata Gatva, comma Vanamati Vipulam Dandakam Chandakayam, comma Hatva Daityam Viradham, comma Sughatim Akalayash, if you want to break it, Sughatim Akalayash Charu Bhoho, is there, put a ish, Bhosh Shara Bhangim. Atrim Natvata Gatva Vanamati Vipulam Dandakam Chandakayam Hatva Daityam Viradham Sugati Makalayas Charu Bhoshara Bhangim.
अत्रिं नत्वात गत्वा वनमति विपुलं दण्डकं चण्डकायं हत्वा दैत्यं विराधं सुगतिमकलयश्चारुभोश्चारभङ्गिं भङ्गीम् अत्रिं नत्वात गत्वा वनमति विपुलं दण्डकं चण्डकायं हत्वा दैत्यं विराधं सुगतिमकलयश्चारुभोश्चारभङ्गीम्
अत्रिं नत्वाथ गत्वा वनमति विपुलं दण्डकं चण्डकायं हत्वा दैत्यं विराधं सुगतिमकलयश्चारुभोश्चारभङ्गीम् अत्रीं नत्वाथ गत्वा वनमति विपुलं दण्डकं चण्डकायं हत्वा दैत्यं विराधं सुगतिमकलयश्चारुभोश्चारभङ्गीम्.
Answer 7. Natvagastyam samasta sharanikara sapatrakritim tapasebhyah pratyashraushih priyaishi tadanucha munina vaishnave divya chape brahmaste chapi datte patipitru suhrudam vikshya bhuyo jatayum modad godatatante pariramasi pura Panchavatyam Vadhutya Natva Agastyam. So that kind of comes together. It's Natva Agastyam, but it flows together. So Natva Agastyam, comma Samastashara Nikara Sapa Trakritim Tapasebhyaha, comma. So one comma after Agastyam, next comma, end of the line. Pratya Shraushihi, is that put a if, Shraushiv Priyaishi, comma, Tadanu Cha Munina Vaishnave Divya Chape. Natvagastyam Samasta Sharanikara Sapatrakritim Tapasebhyah Pratya Shraushiv Priyaishi Tadanu Cha Munina Vaishnave Divya Chape.
नत्वागस्त्यं समस्ताशरनिकरसपत्राकृतिं तापसेभ्यः प्रत्यश्रौषि प्रियैषि तदनुच मुनिना वैष्णवे दिव्यचापे नत्वागस्त्यं समस्ताशरनिकरसपत्रकृतिं तापसेभ्यः प्रत्यश्रौषि प्रियैषि तदनु च मुनिना वैष्णवे दिव्यचापे
नत्वागस्त्यं समस्ताशरनिकर सपत्राकृतिं तापसेभ्यः प्रत्यश्रौषिः प्रियैषि तदनु च मुनिना वैष्णवे दिव्यचापे. I think I lost that tune.
That's okay. Keep going.
नत्वागस्त्यं समस्ताशरनिकर सपत्राकृतिं तापसेभ्यः प्रत्याश्रौषि प्रियैषि तदनु च मुनिना वैष्णवे दिव्यचापे.
I think what you can do if you want to fix that is when you're going the tadanu cha munina, take it a little low, right? Pratyashraushi prihaishi tadanu cha munina vaishnave divya chape, right? So just bring it a little low, right? And then it'll land properly then.
Sure.
Brahmastre chapi datte, comma, pati pitru suhrudam Vikshya Bhuyo Jatayum. So they're meeting Jatayu, but it is not after, it is before Ravana comes in updecks, because Jatayu, they also meet ahead of time. And that's how Jatayu knows that Rama is there with Sita and all that. So anyway, so Bhuyo Jatayum, comma, Modat Goda Tatante, comma, Pari Ramasi Pura, comma, Panchavatyam Vadutya. So now they have come to Panchavati, right, on the banks of Godavari. That's where they are now. So this is where Panchavati is where Shurpanaka and Ravana and all eventually come and abduct Sita, right? So they're in that point. That's part of the story it's right now in. Brahmastre chapi datte phati pitru suhrudam vikshya bhuyo jatayum modat godatatante pariramasi pura Panchavatyam vadhutya.
ब्रह्मास्त्रे चापि दत्ते पतिपितृसुहृदं वीक्ष्य भूयो जटायुं मोदात् गोदात् तटां ते परिरमसि पुरा पञ्चवट्यां वधूट्या. ब्रह्मास्त्रे चापि दत्ते पतिपितृसुहृदं वीक्ष्य भूयो जटायुं मोदात् गोदात् तटां ते परिरमसि पुरा पंचवट्यां वधूट्या.
ब्रह्मास्त्रे चापि दत्ते पतिपितृ सुहृदं वीक्ष्य भूयो जटायुं मोदात् गोदात् तटान्ते परिरमसि पुरा पंचवट्यां वधूट्या. ब्रह्मास्त्रे चापि दत्ते पतिपितृ सुहृदं वीक्ष्य भूयो जटायुं मोदात् गोदात् तटान्ते परिरमसि पुरा पंचवट्यां वधूट्या.
That's 8. Praptahya Shurpanakhyah Madana Chaladhriterartanairnissahatma Tam Saumitrau Visrujya Prabalatam Tena Nirnunhanasam Drishtvainam Rushtachittam Kharamabhipatitam Dushanam Chatrimurdham Vyahim Sirasharanapyayuta Samadikan Takshanat Akshatoshma. So Praptayaha, put a ish, Praptayash Shurpanakyaha, put a visarga there because we're going to pause, put a comma there. Shurpanakyaha, comma, Madana Chala Dhriter Artanair. If you want to break it, you can break it at the ra. Dhriter Artanair Nissahatma, comma, Tam Saumitrau Visrajya, comma, Prabalatama Rusha. But you can say it together, it's easier. Prabalatama Rusha. Tena Nirluna Nasam. Praptahya Shurpanakhyah Madana Chaladhriter Artanair Nissahatma Tam Saumitrau Visrajya Prabalatama Rusha Tena Nirluna Nasam.
प्राप्ताया शूर्पणख्याः मदनचलधृतेर्अर्तनैर्निस्सहात्मा तां सौमित्रौ विसृज्य प्रबलतमरुषा तेन निर्लूननासाम्। प्राप्ताया शूर्पणख्याः मदनचलधृतेर्अर्तनैर्निस्सहात्मा तां सौमित्रौ विसृज्य प्रबलतमरुषा तेन निर्लूननासाम्।
प्राप्ताय शूर्पणाख्या मदनचलधृतेर्अर्थनैर्निस्सहात्मा तां सौमित्रो विसृज्य प्रबलतमरुषा तेन निर्लूननासाम्।
Tulsi, after Shurpanakhyah, you put a visarga there, right? After Shurpanakhyah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. प्राप्ताया शूर्पणाख्याः मदनचलधृतेर्अर्तनैर्निस्सहात्मा तां सौमित्रो विसृज्य प्रबलतमरुषा तेन निर्लूननासाम्।
Drishtvainam, is it sound there? Drishtvainam rushta chittam, comma, kharam abhipatitam. If you want to break it, you can break at that ma. Kharam abhipatitam, dushanam cha trimurdham, comma. So the next word, you pretty much goes all the way till that vyahim sira sharanap yayuta samadika. It goes all the way together, okay? And that is that is there, remove that is and put a in samadhikan and then put a comma. So you will probably have, for those who are following Sanskrit, you'll have ka and then a dot on top and then a is, right? So essentially what you're doing is you're removing that is out and the dot essentially is in, it becomes an in at that point. So you put samadhikan na in comma, then tat kshanat akshatoshma. So tat kshanat akshatoshma. The becomes it and a. So tat kshanat akshatoshma. But the first part of it, you can't quite break it. So you will have to try to say it together. Drishtvainham rushtachittam kharamabhipatitam dushanam chatrimurdham vyahim sira sharanapyayuta samadhikan tatkshanat akshatoshma.
दृष्ट्वैनां रुष्टचित्तं करमविपतितं दूषणं चत्रमूर्धं व्याहिंसीराशारानप्ययुतसमधिकान् तत्क्षणादक्षतोष्मा। दृष्ट्वैनां रुष्टचित्तं करमविपतितं दूषणं चत्रमूर्धं व्याहिंसीराशारानप्ययुतसमधिकान् தட்சணாதக்ஷதோஷ்மா. ராஜேஷ் ஜி அந்த இடத்துல சத்ரி மூர்த்தம் சொல்லணும்ல, சத்ரி அந்த எத்தனாவது லைன் தெரியல,
எந்த வேர்டு, which word?
அந்த கரம் அபிபதிதம் தூஷணம் சத்ரி மூர்த்தம்
இல்ல, ச த்ரிமூர்த்தம். ச is and there.
Okay, cha trimurtam.
Yeah, dusha karam abhi kara is one person, dushana is one person, and the trisaran or three, they are all brothers of Shurpanakha. So that's why they're saying first two lines Shurpanakha, then here karam abhipatitam dushanam cha trimurdham.
Okay.
दृष्ट्वैनां रुष्टचित्तं करमभिपतितं दूषणं च त्रिमूर्तं व्याहिंसीराशरानप्ययुतसमाधिकान् तत्क्षणादक्षतोष्मा। दृष्ट्वैनां रुष्टचित्तं करमभिपतितं दूषणं च त्रिमूर्तं व्याहिंसीराशरानप्ययुतसमाधिकान् तत्क्षणादक्षतोष्मा.
So the the next one is where Ravana is coming and taking Sita, which is stanza 9. Sodharya prokta varta vivasha dashamukhadishta maricha maya sarangam sarasakshya sprihita manugata pravadhir banaghatam tanmaya kranda nirgyapita bhavadanuja ravanasta maharshit tenartopittvamantah kimapi mudamadhaah tadvadhopaya labhat. Sodarya prokta varta. I'll just give one explanation. Sorry. So in the first stanza that we did today, right? So you say Girvanair artyamano dashamukha nidanam. So to get rid of the dashamukha, to get rid of Ravana, all the devas go and pray, which is why the Lord then takes birth as Ravana. So that is the first context of the first word there. Here in the last word, tat vadhopaya labha. So instead of just going to get rid of Ravana, so he says some situation has to be created which is going to make the Lord go to Lanka and get rid of Ravana. So he says Ravana ended up doing all these things and abducting Sita about, so that to make it easy, giving you an incentive to go to Ravana. Otherwise, Rama is going to come, and why would he have to go meet Ravana? So he created a situation which is going to make you go and get rid of Ravana. That was the context in the last portion of the sentence there. Sodarya prokta varta vivasha dasha mukhadishta maricha maya plus sarangam, and then a comma. So that whole line is together, and then sarangam, comma after that. Sara sakshya sprihitam anugata, if you want to break it, or sprihitam anugataha is there, put a if. Manugata pravadhir bana ghatam. So only one comma in these two lines after sarangam. Sodharya prokta varta vivasha dashamukhadishta maricha maya sarangam sarasakshya sprihita manugata pravadhir banaghatam.
Sodarya prokta varta vivasha dashamukhadishta maricha maya sarangam sarasakshya sprihita manugata pravadhir banaghatam. Sodarya prokta varta vivasha dashamukhadishta maricha maya sarangam sarasakshya sprihita manugata pravadhir banaghatam.
No, and the first line ending, right? You can just to kind of combine it, you can say maricha maya sarangam. Like it will flow smoother then, right? I think you said correct, but I think the way you did was, it was like as if you were stretching the first line.
Oh, maricha maya sarangam.
And just put some gamakam there, right? Maricha maya sarangam sarasakshya. That's all. No mistake in that. I'm just telling you some correction on that. Okay.
Okay. Do you want me to try again?
No, that's okay. No, you can just try it later. That's fine. Yeah.
Sodarya prokta varta vivashada mukhadishta maricha maya sarangam sarasakshya spruhita manugata pravadhir banaghatam. Sodarya prokta varta vivashada mukhadishta maricha maya sarangam sarasakshya spruhita manugata pravadhir banaghatam.
In that first line, you forgot. I think the dasha you didn't say. Dasha mukha. One of them you didn't say.
Okay, I will repeat again. Sodarya prokta varta vivashada mukha tishtama.
There. That's what you missed. You're saying the mukha. You're saying missing the sh.
Sodarya prokta varta vivashada dasha mukha dishtamari chamaya sarangam sarasaksha spruhita manugata pravadhir banaghatam.
Tan maya kranda niryapita bhavadanujam, comma, Ravanas ta maharshit, put the it at the end of that line and a comma, maharshit, comma. Next line, you'll notice you have two ths there, a th or a it, right? Remove the it off. So, tenartopi twamantaha, comma, kimapi mudamadhaha. Replace that is with the visarga and a comma. Kimapi mudamadhaha tad vadhopaya labhat. Tad vadhopaya labhat. Tanmaya kranda niryapita bhavadanujam Ravanasta maharshite tenartopi tvamantah kimapi mudamadhaha tadvadhopaya labhat.
It is kranda and not kranda, right?
Tanmaya kranda, kranda, kranda.
तन्मायाक्रन्द निर्यापित भवदनुजां रावणस्ता महर्षित् तेनार्तोऽपि त्वमन्तः किमपि मुदमदाः तद्वधोपायलाभात्.
Anu and the twamantaha anga visarga full visarga anga stop, right?
तन्मायाक्रन्द निर्यापित भवदनुजां रावणस्ता महर्षित् तेनार्तोऽपि त्वमन्तः किमपि मुदमदाः तद्वधोपायलाभात्.
तन्मायाक्रन्द निर्यापित भवदनुजां रावणस्ता महर्षित् तेनार्तोऽपि त्वमन्तः किमपि मुदमदाः तद्वदोपायलाभात्. तन्मायाक्रान्द निर्यापित भवदनुजां रावणस्ता महर्षित् तेनार्तोऽपि त्वमन्तः किमपि मुदमदाः तद्वदोपायलाभात्.
The third line, you said kranda, it's kranda, tanmaya kranda. Okay. Stanza 10. Bhuyastanvim vichinvan ahrita dashamukah twadvado madvadene tyuktva yate jatayo divam atasuhridah pratanoh preta karyam grihnanam tam kabandham jaganita Shabarim prekshya pampatate tvam samprapto vatasunum brishamuditamanah pahivathalayesha. So here he meets Jatayu, then he meets Shabari on the banks of Pampa, and then also ends up meeting Hanuman, right? All of this is happening. Vatasunum means son of Vayu, Hanuman. So Bhuyas Tanvim Vichin one, so there's in and a na. So first make it a in, first vichin one, comma. Next word starts with the ahrita dasha mukaha. So remove that is and then a comma. Dasha mukaha. Tvad vadhum madhvadhene tyuktva. So put a plus and then a comma after tyuktva. Tvad vadhum madhvadhene tyuktva, comma. Yate Jatayo divam, comma, again make it a im and then a comma. Then the next word starts with a atha suhridaha, put a if suhridaf, pratanoho, put a if pratanof, preta karyam. So I'll say it again. Bhuyas tanvim vichin one, comma, ahrita dasha mukaha, comma, twadvadum madvadhene tyuktva, comma, Yate Jatayo Divam, pause again, Atha Suhrada Pratanov Pretakaryam.
Rajesh, here in Telugu Lipi, it says Tatvadhum. You are saying Dom, right?
No, Tvad Vadhum, your Vadhu, your wife.
Yeah, Vadhum.
Yeah.
I thought you said Vadhom. Okay.
Oh, Vadhum, Vadhu. Yeah, Tvad Vadhum. So that's it. The other beauty here, right? So Bhattripad is saying your wife. Now he's talking to Krishna, right? He's talking to Guru Ayyappan. right? But he says your wife, right? So that's some of the intricacies in here, right? And it will come again in the next chapter, and I'll explain one very interesting stanza where it comes there. But this is another thing to improvise. He says Twadvadhum. So he's taken, abducted your wife, he says to Guru Ayappa, right? Because according to him, that Guru Ayappan is all these incarnations are you, right? So Bhuyastanvim vichinvan ahrita dasha mukha Twadvadhum madvadhene tyuktva yate jatayau divam ata suhrudah pratanoh preta karyam.
भूयस्तन्वीं विचिन्वन् आहृतदशमुखः त्वद्वधूं मद्वदेने स्युक्त्वा याते जटायौ दिवमत सुहृदप्रातनोः प्रेतकार्यम्.
No, divam, after divam there is a pause. Yate jatayau divam. Okay.
भूयस्तन्वीं विचिन्वन् आहृतदशमुखः त्वद्वधूं मद्वधेनोऽत्युक्त्वा याते जटायौ दिवम् अत सुहृदः प्रातनोः प्रेतकार्यम्.
Madvadhene. First time you said it correct. Second time you said they know. End of the first time.
Madvadhene.
Yeah.
Okay.
भूयस्तन्वीं विचिन्वन् आहृतदशमुखः त्वद्वधूं मद्वदेनेत्युक्त्वा याते जटायौ दिवम् अत सुहृदः प्रातनोः प्रेतकार्यम्. भूयस्तन्वीं विचिन्वन् आहृतदशमुखः त्वद्वधूं मद्वदेनेत्युक्त्वा याते जटायौ दिवम् अत सुहृदः प्रातनोः प्रेतकार्यम्.
Ghrannanam tam kabandham jaganitha, shabarim prekshya pampatate tvam samprapto vatasunum, brisha mudita manaha, pahi vatalayesha. Ghrannanam tam kabandham jaganitha shabarim prekshya pampatate tvam samprapto vatasunum brishamudita manaha pahi vatalayesha.
गृह्णानं तं कबन्धं जगनित शबरीं प्रेक्ष्य पम्पातटे त्वं सम्प्राप्तो वातसूनुं वृषमुदितमनाः पाहि वातालयेश. गृह्णानं तं कबन्धं जगनित शबरीं प्रेक्ष्य पम्पातटे त्वं सम्प्राप्तो वातसूनुं वृषमुदितमनाः पाहि वातालयेश.
गृह्णानं तं कबन्धं जगनित शबरीं प्रेक्ष्य पम्पातटे त्वं सम्प्राप्तो वातसूनुं वृषमुदितमनाः पाहि वातालयेश. गृह्णानं तं कबन्धं जगनित शबरीं प्रेक्ष्य पम्पातटे त्वं सम्प्राप्तो वातसूनुं वृषमुदितमनाः पाहि वातालयेश.
Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. So we'll stop the class here. Sandhanandhavabodhatmakamanupamitam kaladeshavadebhyam nirmuktam nityamuktam nigamashatasahasrena nirbhasyamanam aspashtam drishtamhatre punarurupurushartatmakam brahmatattvam tattavad bhadi sakshat guru pavanapure hanta bhagyam jananam kahena vacha manasendriyerva buddhyatmana va prakrite swabhavat karomi yatyat sakalam parasmai narayanahyeti samarpayami.
Rajesh,